and welcome aboard Crafter Sapiens. This is me Samira. The last time I made a video about blending oil pastels, this was the comment that got the maximum number of likes. So this video is dedicated to the 1700 people of you who wanted to see the tape being removed. Do comment down below and let me know what other fun videos you'd like to watch. Alright then, enjoy 3 minutes of the epic tape removal ceremony. Let's begin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video. I make videos every Tuesday and Thursdays, so don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below so that you won't miss out my upcoming videos. And I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.